Hello mindful foodies, Inga from Health Origins here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious apple and onion chutney. So let's begin. We've got our ingredients prepped. So this is 600 grams of homegrown organic cooking apples. I did not peel mine since, like I said, they're organic homegrown. I just wanted to keep it on, but if you want kind of softer chutney and not kind of pieces, then I would suggest you peel it, or if you buy store-bought and it's not organic, then yeah, just peel it. So this is 600 grams that I've chopped into small pieces. Then I've got 250 grams of onion that I've sliced. I quartered and sliced it. Then I've got 100 grams or 2 large handfuls of raisins. And then I've got a half of organic non-waxed lemon that I've quartered and sliced thinly. I'm gonna add that on. I've got 1 clove of garlic that is crushed. And then I've got a cup or 250 ml of apple cider vinegar. I also have 200 grams of coconut sugar, or you could use dark brown sugar, but I'm not going to add this until I simmer this for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to get this to boiling, and then we're going to keep it simmering. I'll put the lid on for 20 minutes to soften the apples and the onions. So it's been 20 minutes that the mixture has been frying. As you can see, I've changed the pan because, unfortunately, because the apples are not very juicy, it started sticking at the bottom at the very last few minutes. So obviously to save all the lot, I've just put it in a different pot, and I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of water here because, like I say, these apples have not released hardly any liquid. So so we're gonna add the sugar now. So 200 grams of coconut sugar. Just gonna mix it all in. I've reduced my power just slightly, and I'm gonna simmer this on kind of medium low for 35 to 40 minutes and stirring occasionally, making sure it's not getting burned at the bottom. So we are halfway through the simmering. I'm going to open the lid, and I'm just going to leave the lid off now until the end to let this chutney to thicken, the water to evaporate a little bit more. So we've got about another 18 minutes or so to go. It's been about 30 minutes, so this is nearly ready. I'm going to add, for the last 5 minutes, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and then 1/2 teaspoon of each ginger powder, cinnamon, and turmeric. Just mix that up, and in fact you don't want to cook with the spices much. With salt you could for another 5 minutes, but because I've added all the other spices, I'm just gonna take it off the heat completely, and we're gonna add these to our disinfected jars. So all I did was I washed it with hot water and a bit of bicarb soda, and then I poured boiling water on them to just fully disinfect, the same and the lids as well. So we're gonna just pack these up while it's still hot. I've got my little funnel here, so I'm just gonna add the chutney in. nice and thick. Looks really good. So there we go. This is one chutney. And do the second one. And the second one. And now we've got just enough for taste testing as well. So now on to the best bit, taste testing. So this is still a bit warm. I would recommend obviously cooling it down before taste testing it. But yeah, I'm just gonna give it a go anyway. Even warm, guys. This is so good. Such depth of flavor. You can taste a little bit of cinnamon. You know, it's sweet and sour. The apples, the onions. And if you get occasional raisin as well. Oh, this is just beautiful. Delicious. So if you try this, let me know what you think about it, because these jars, you know, you can double the recipe as well. You know, might as well do the double if you're doing the effort. You know, you could make some more, because these will last, and if you do them hot, and even if you can you know, do it upside down as well, so it disinfects the lid a little bit even more and kind of sucks up that air. So these become kind of like an airtight, and they should last you months. I don't know how long it'll last us, because these are nice. We'll probably go through them quite quickly, but you could, you know, just put it in your pantry and keep it for a few months. So yeah, so if you try this, let me know what you thought of it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you're new here, welcome and subscribe for more videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. And remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.